Your topic is pollution.
As we all know that pollution is increasing day by day, like pollution in many kinds like air pollution, sound pollution and water pollution. These all are very harmful for all of us. Like you can take the example of air pollution. If the vehicles which runs on road produce a high amount of pollution which is very bad for all of us because as we all know that the pollution is very harmful and the air pollution is one of them. And water pollution is also very harmful. The people throw garbage, but they even know that if we throw garbage in water, then this will create a huge amount of problems because as we know that the villagers who live in villages have no facility to drink water, which is very bad. If we donate them some water, then they can live their life happily. And for the air pollution, we should ask government to bring new vehicles which runs on electricity, so that the vehicles do not produce any type of pollution, which is very good. So pollution is very harmful, and sound pollution is also very harmful. All the pollutions are very harmful. Sound pollution is increasing day by day too because the vehicles which runs on road also produce a high amount of pollution, which is very bad. So we should decrease sound pollution. If we bring the vehicles which same as a electric rickshaw, which is very good because we all know that the electric rickshaw do not produce any type of sound.
Okay, raise the questions.
Why health is important?
What?
Why health is important?
Health is most important thing because if we don't have a good health, then we can't survive, and we should always went to hospital for our daily checkup. So if you need a good health, then you have to eat. You should eat dry foods or you should exercise daily. My father exercises daily, so his health is very good. I eat dry foods and my health is also very good. If you need a good health, then you should also need to do many type of activities. You should play and you should eat only green vegetables or dry foods.
May you speak about park?
What?
May you speak about park?
Park is very beautiful place. Every city has a park, and in my city there is also a park which is very good because the children of my city wants to play every time, so they can go in park for only paying. They should only pay 5 rupees and they can go to park for playing as much you want. I also went to my city's park, which is very clean and very big. There is also a canteen. I like my city's park.
Why parents are important?
We all know that the parents are who help us in every time. If you face any type of problem, then you can share with your parents because parents are very important. Some you see that some persons do not have parents and they face many type of problems. They live in orphanage, which is very bad. Some parents are went to orphanage and adopt some kids, which is very good. So we should also donate them so that they can live their life happily. And the kids who do not have parents, they face many kind of problems. They can't eat, and some kids is dying day by day. So we should, if we see anyone who beg you to take any food, then you should share your food with them.
What is the importance of best friend?
Best friend is also very important. Best friend is who help you in your class and your school, and every time you have, if you have a need for help, then the best friend is ready to help you. If you went on holidays and you want the note which is learned by learned by school, then you can take the notes from your best friend. My all my friends and I always play with them.
May you speak about social media?
Social media is very important for all of us because with the help of social media we can do many things. We can make content which used for in entertainment for the people who watches many entertainment videos. And by the help of social medias you can also learn many things because we all know that in lockdown or corona time the school is closed, all the schools are closed, so we are doing online classes which is very good or bad too because with the help of online classes we can do study with always and we should not need to go to school. And if you have an emergency between the class then you can easily go anywhere because you are not in school. And the online classes are also bad because some people have not their phone at their phone so that the parents who are poor then their children can't do online classes which is very bad. If you have a old phone then you can share them with your phone.